About this item 70-6502 radio wire harness replacement for 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500/2500/3500, Dodge Stratus 2003 to 2006, SDN, Dodge Van, full size, 2002 to 2003, Dodge Caravan 2002 to 2007, Dodge Stratus 2002 to 2002, Dodge Viper 2006 to 2010, Dodge Intrepid 2002 to 2004, Dodge Durango 2002 to 2003, Dodge Neon 2002 to 2005, Dodge Dakota 2002-2007. Stereo wiring connector with antenna adapter compatible with Jeep Cherokee 2003 to 2007 KJ, Jeep Commander 2006 to 2009 XK, Jeep Compass 2007 to 2008 MK, Jeep Patriot 2007 to 2008, Jeep Wrangler 2003 to 2007 TJ.40 CR10 Fit Chrysler 300 2005 to 2007, Chrysler 300C 2005 to 2007, Chrysler Grand Voyager 2001 to 2007, Chrysler Neon 2000 to 2002, Chrysler PT Cruiser 2000 to 2005, Chrysler Voyager 2001 to 2005, Chrysler Concorde 2002 to 2004, Chrysler Sebring 2002 to 2006, Chrysler Town & Country 2002-2007. Does not fit the radio with amplifier nor the subwoofer. Check your car model in our list before purchase. Some vehicles' factory deck doesn't have ACC wired to it, so you will need to run a separate switched power wire to your new deck. Upgrade from factory radio to an aftermarket unit. Do not directly plug and play, solder connections and heat shrink tubing for best result. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item 70-6502 radio wire harness replacement for 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500/2500/3500, Dodge Stratus 2003 to 2006, SDN, Dodge Van, full size, 2002 to 2003,